Juice extractor. There are many ways of producing fruit juice, but some juices have more complex processes than others and involve different mechanisms in order to be made. A juice extractor is one of those mechanisms. It is made in order to extract juice from certain fruits and even vegetables that are not that easy to extract, such as apples or carrots. What it does is to separate the fruit or the vegetable pulp from its juicy composition in order to obtain only the liquid part of this. This machine is perfect to make healthy drinks in a short lapse of time and without involving much effort during the process. Although there are many juice extractors, all coming from different brands, voltage, capacity, and more, they all have in common the following parts: a plug, which all of them contains, a plastic jar, which may be from plastic or from glass, a chute, where you put the fruit, a food pusher, as its name says, the mechanism used in order to push the fruit, a pulp container, and of course, a switch. The procedure seems to be also the same for many of them. The first step to follow is to arrange the structure, putting all of its parts where they are supposed to go, since they may come separated in order to be washed. Secondly, you may have the fruit you're going to use already washed and preferably cut into not so small pieces. Then you have to make sure the device is of course plugged and locked. Here is a little lock you have to lock in order to proceed with the process. Following, you must introduce the cutted fruit or veggie in the chute while you turn on the switch and proceed to push the pieces with the pusher tool. This will cause the fruit to be cut in even smaller and smaller parts, with several razors contained inside the extractor in order to get shredded. Finally, the device will separate the pulp from the juice, and it will continue to eject and store the pulp in the container, as the juice's substance will come out of a spoon. Here's a spoon, it's very small, in order to reach the plastic jar. As soon as the fruit is subjected to this process, all this juice will be contained in the jar and it will be ready to drink.